Black Archives is not only looking for community partners, but we want the community to know that we're their partner. And UMKC has been wonderful in this aspect. I was fortunate to meet Dr. David Trowbridge at UMKC, and I was complaining because we didn't have a virtual presence, and so one of my main goals then was to create one. And he talked about the walking tour and the 360-degree tour and what people could see and what they could hear and how we could demonstrate what's going on in this district, and I got excited.
Clio is a nonprofit that uses technology to connect people to the history, culture, art, and science that surrounds us. We have both a website and a mobile application that you can search or let it pick up your location, and you can truly just move around a community, and everywhere you go, you'll hear the stories of that community.
Dr. Trowbridge gave me the idea of working on Clio, and I just took it and ran with it. We do have a deep, rich history in this region. My family's been here for over 100 years. We've taken steps to preserve that history in some ways, by putting up these murals, by telling these stories, because they're there, you just have to dig a little bit. This mural was always really important to me and my family, so this was the first one I wanted on the tour, and I was, 10 years old, and my dad would we'd be driving by to Grandma's house, and he would say, this is the history of, how we came here, and something I didn't learn really in history classes, so.
One of the things I'm most excited about Clio is that because it's free and open, organizations around the country have used it to support their work.
The way that Black people are portrayed in history books and other means not written by us, then we see almost a plasticity in the way people are portrayed. So we want people to see the real folk, that they were living, breathing people with histories. And that's what is here. That's what we're preserving, and that's what this walking tour will do. UMKC is a major urban university. That's their hype, right? But it's the truth. And because of that, then we appreciate their partnerships. And they know things. I don't know how to do a 360-degree walking tour, but David Trowbridge does. And so it's been a wonderful relationship.